Yo, what's up? I'm about to get dressed and roll out to this meet.
No, this Honda's leaving me. Come back. Where the fuck you going? That Honda's sick as shit though too. Look. Oh, he looking over here. Hey. Oh, okay. He got like a, can't see it because his fucking camera sucks. Yo, this dude, he has like a mural painted like on his car and shit. It's like a chick like this, but with an actual gun. That shit is fucking nice as fuck. Look, he's looking at me. I want to wave at him.
GD on the beats.
Shout out to Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut always keep it in clutch. For my free pizza. Shout out to all the sponsors I don't have. Somebody sponsor me. I don't know. Pop-Tarts. Yo, shout out to Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts sponsor me. I don't know if anybody's sponsored by Pop-Tarts, but that shit would be lit.
Yo, that,
me up.
yeah. fucking nice, son. I love you, thank you. That shit sounds nice though. Yeah, it's your car, sex. It's your car. Yo, finally at the fucking car wash, but I can't really put wax on it. But I just want to rinse it off all this fucking pollen and shit, and like clean the fucking tires and stuff. But yeah. Let's go. Look at this dirty ass shit. You can't see because it's probably too fucking bright. There you go, you can see it. Shit is gross. Why does car keep fucking with me? Yeah. This shit looks so much better now, bro. Yo, the cop just passed here. What the fuck? Like some random ass cop. Yo, the cop, okay, some cops showed up at the meet. So some cops showed up at the meet. It was pretty cool. It was like, what y'all having fun out here? I was like, yo, he's like, can we join the car meet? I was like, I showed them this. They were like, cool as hell. Yeah, shout out to those cops. But yeah, it looks so much better. I can't wash it like I want to because of the paint. But once I can, I'm gonna do it. And I heard somebody say like, why is she talking to herself? I mean, I'm talking to the fucking camera. Like, what the fuck? I have proof that all pit bulls are vicious. Serious. Real proof. Want to show you? Get back. See that? You see the pit bull is trying to attack me because I touched the bone? Yep. It's trying to attack me. Yep. She's trying to kill the dogs. As you can see. What the? See this? I told you I have proof all pit bulls are vicious. Maybe the government know what they're talking about. Yeah. Give it to me. I told you I had proof. Proof.
Got my mind aching, steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.